Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to download Kik Messenger. Now let us begin. Right now I simply want to install it in my Android device, so I'm simply gonna open up the Play Store and search for Kik. In case you want to download it for the iPhone, simply go to App Store and do the same. Well guys, this is it. This is the application that we want to install, that is Kik. Well, do note that you can directly install it by clicking on this install button. Else if you want more detailed information regarding this application, simply click on the app icon. And do note that it will take about 113 MB. And guys, this is it. Once you are in this section, you can look at the information regarding this application, including the data safety and others. You can also view the ratings and reviews. But right now, all we want to do is install it. So let us simply hit on install. And guys, that is it. As you can see, the application is being installed. But do note that it might take some time to install depending upon your internet speed. Well guys, that is it. That's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.